In this video, I will show you on how to clean up duplicate files on your Android phone. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone master. So I'm going to click on here. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on storage clean. Next thing you need to do is to scroll down right here and make sure you click on files. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on clean up duplicate files. That's going to take you right here. So by default, everything is going to be checked right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see duplicate file right here. Just like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on clean. You are about to delete 92 documents to save 1.01 megabyte space and cannot be retrieved them after deletion. Click on delete right here. After a successful delete, you can click on back. Then go back to your clean duplicate file again. See, the folder has been empty. And you still have to go back to those files that you just delete their duplicate, and you will still make all the file intact in your phone. It's that simple. For more tutorial about Android cleanup like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.